In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members and set permissions in Basecamp. Let's get started with this process, which is not only straightforward, but also ensures that everyone on your team is in sync and has the right level of access to your projects. First things first, you'll need to log into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, look for the option that says Invite People. This is your gateway to adding new collaborators to your Basecamp environment. Next, you'll have the opportunity to select the type of person you want to invite. Basecamp excels in flexibility, offering you 3 distinct categories to choose from. Is it someone who works within your company, or perhaps you're looking to involve an outside collaborator, maybe a contractor or a guest who's integral to your project's success? There's also a separate option for clients, those important stakeholders who you're doing work for. Depending on your choice, Basecamp will tailor the invitation process to suit this particular person. After making your selection, the next step is straightforward. Hit Next. This will take you to a form where you'll enter some basic information about the person you're inviting. Start with their full name. This helps in personalizing communications and ensuring clarity within your project environment. Then add their email address, a crucial step as this is where the invitation will be sent. There's also the option to include their job title, which is optional but can be helpful in giving context about their role. Lastly, fill in their company or organization name for additional specificity. If you have more than one person to invite, simply click the plus button, which allows you to add multiple people at once. When you've filled in all the necessary details, the next step is to click on Email Invitation Now. This sends out the invitations, and you'll promptly see a confirmation message letting you know that the invitation has been emailed. Once that's done, it's time to determine which projects these new collaborators can access. Click on Set up which projects they can see. Here you'll see a list of your projects, and you can check the box next to the project that you want them to access. Basecamp provides 2 permission levels, just following for those who need to stay informed, and on the project for those who actively contribute. Choose the appropriate permission level based on the person's role and involvement. Finally, the person you've invited will receive an email invitation. Once they accept it, they'll be officially added to the project, and you'll see your team's collaboration become that much more efficient. With this seamless integration, you're all set to manage your projects effectively and with clarity. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating with Basecamp.